Alright guys, welcome to the channel. One more unboxing. If you guys saw all the unboxing videos from before and you're just coming to this one, I know I'm doing a lot of unboxing, but I have to show you guys this one. Alright, so this is a sit-stand desk from Autonomous, as you guys can see right here. And this is the tabletop, and then this one is the base for it. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up again because I'm trying to get everything done today, so that way I can have this space looking real nice to start editing some videos and everything like that. Got the hiking chair back there, just did that. Go check out that video as well. But yeah, we're gonna deal with this right now. Hope it doesn't take too long, and you guys will see it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this the base. It's really heavy. This is 70 pounds right over there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but 70 pounds, really heavy. So it's saying we need to match the tabletop to the frame first before we start setting it up. So I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, just got done with this little section. Took me a while. Now I'm on to this section. So I'm gonna attach the two feet or base to the legs. Alright, so this section requires two people, but I'm gonna do it on my own because I don't got the next person to help me right now. So let's do it. Wasn't too bad. All right guys, after probably like 2 hours or so, the desk is finally done, and that's what underneath looks like. My battery's about to die, but yeah, that's what underneath looks like. Really nice. So I'm going to flip this and start setting. The desk is pretty much done setting up. That's what it looks like after you flip it over. This is for cable management right here. And then they got one more over there. This is what it looks like right here. That's the control. Have to do some more cable management, but it's gonna stay like that for now. And if you click down, you'll see that that's the lowest, and then you can go higher up. So if you realize, let's go in. To 48.4. That's the highest. That's what it looks like when it's like all the way up. It's pretty tall. This is literally where my hand is. So yeah, see, literally like right underneath my chest. So do whatever you're doing up here. When you're done, go all the way back to the position where you want it. That's the lowest. Alright, so I'm gonna pretty much show you guys like how to like do different settings, and so I'm gonna go to $40.5. You want to set it, you hold this down, the M, it starts flashing. I'm gonna hit 1 and it's set. Now go back down to a random number. Right there. Now we want to go back to the position it was in just now, because that's where we program it to. So I'm gonna hit 1 and there you have it. That's how you set the different heights. So if you know, it's good if you have like, you know, more than one persons or people using it. Each person can have their own height or whatever, or for you, depending on how you like. If you want it at the lowest, the highest, you know, you can do different levels. So that's really nice. I like the top, feels really nice. Hope it doesn't get like scratches and dirty easily. So yeah, this is really nice. And what I like about this is that it got two what do you call it, motor on the one motor on each side, so one here and one here. So you can literally sit on this desk and it will lift you up. So that's nice, and it goes well with the black and white theme that I got going on right here. It's looking nice. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for, you know, the autonomous sit stand desk. Really like it so far. So I'm gonna use it, test it out, and of course I will let you guys know what I think about it after a couple of weeks or so, if I like it or if I don't. So yeah, nice addition to the office setup. So that's good. All right, so hope you guys like that video. Until next time, big up on yourself, stay safe. Also drop in the comments, you know, what you guys want to hear, see me do with these all the products that I unbox. And of course, ask me whatever questions you guys want, because I will answer them. So yeah, that's it. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.